Hey everyone, welcome back to Homegrown Passion. We got the service rig in today to fix the oil well. What an exciting day this is. They're going to do the whole thing. They're going to pull all the tubing out. Goes down like 4,000 feet, see what's going on with the pump down there, and we'll see what else needs to be repaired, but we'll have heat for this winter. The oil rig is here, getting set up. Pull the well and see what's going on with it. And then we'll have some gas pressure for the winter time. Got stuck in the mud, so Doug had to get the bulldozer out and get him in line. So this process went a lot faster than we anticipated. The guys are almost done. They only have like 2 more rods to put back in to get the well going again. All they had to do was replace the pump at the bottom, which we're very happy about. I thought for sure the rig was going to be out here for a week or so, but they've only been out here 2 days. So when they get done, I'm going to see if they'll do a little interview and they can explain what they did. Okay, the last rod is being lifted up and getting ready to be sent down into the well. I don't know if you guys can see all the gas escaping off the wellhead there. where they're putting them together. It's kind of amazing. Okay, so we're out here with Hagen Well Services. They're the guys that service the well here, and they all are.
I'm Zach Vance.
Hi, I'm Shay. I'm Rob Abdoni.
And they're going to explain a little bit of what they did here for us to get this well up and running.
So today, okay, do I need to talk into that? So today, we came yesterday. We're having issues with low gas pressure and the well wasn't pumping, so we came in, rigged up, took apart the unit, pulled rods, found out the pump quit working, so we switched out the pump with our local pump guy and ran it all back in today and tested it all out. Everything seems to be in working order, so we're hoping they don't run out of gas and maybe they can make a little bit of money off this oil that comes out of this well.
Well, good. Well, thank you guys.
You're
really
welcome.
appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Really, you guys been
Hospitality's been wonderful.
you guys have been a great crew. Yep, and we had beautiful weather.
Oh, beautiful weather.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Okay, good. Well, I'll let you guys get on your way so you can enjoy the rest of the day.
All right, thanks.
Thank you. Well, I hope you guys liked today's video on the oil well. Something different going on here at the farm. So like always, leave me any questions, comments, and suggestions down below. And we'll see you next video.